One of the biggest legal and political questions in our country right now is what will the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals say about mifepristone, the drug most often used by providers in medication abortions in the U.S. Right now, the drug, which often goes by Mifeprex, remains in a state of legal limbo after Judge Matthew Kacsmaryk ruled last week that it should be banned effective this Friday, believing the drug is unsafe. A judge in Washington state issued a competing ruling on the exact same day last Friday that the drug is safe and should be continued to be used. The legal confusion has prompted the Department of Justice to appeal to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, and depending on what the court says, the Department of Justice will likely appeal to the Supreme Court. The Fifth Circuit's expected to weigh in by Friday. To be clear, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals is traditionally a conservative-leaning appellate court, and judges there will have a key question to answer. Do they ban the drug until they schedule more formal hearings, more formal oral arguments? Or do they allow the drug to continue to be used until those formal proceedings can occur? As a practical matter, this case is on a crash course with the Supreme Court. Justices will be confronted with the same questions as the Fifth Circuit, and it would be the court's most consequential abortion-related ruling since the Dobbs decision last summer. As a reminder, this matters because banning mifepristone would impact conservative-leaning states and Democratic-leaning states alike. However, a ban on this drug would not mean the end of medication abortions in the United States. There are other prescriptions that providers could use. However, as the World Health Organization and other organizations have documented, typically those drugs carry with it more side effects. Joe St. George, Scripps News, Washington.